you are a new YouTuber and you are looking forward to getting monetized on YouTube, you want to monetize that your new channel within 2 months. Yes, I mean 2 months. Come closer. I say come. Oh yeah, sit down, relax, and watch this video to the end. You don't want to miss any point in this video. See, I'm not one of those people that will come here and lie that monetize your channel within 1 day, 2 days. I mean, anything is possible, but here I'm going to give you realistic strategy, and you are going to monetize your channel within 2 months. If you follow every strategy I'll be talking about in this video, I promise you 2 months max, you are going to monetize that your channel and you are going to start catching out. I mean, every one of us must make money on this YouTube because if only you know the gold mine YouTube is. So I want you to sit down and watch this video to the end. If you are coming across my face for the first time, my name is Dammie. I create content on things like this, valuable content that you will learn from. So if you feel like this is a type of channel you like to subscribe to, I mean, why won't you subscribe? Click that subscribe button, like, and also turn on that notification bell, so when I drop informative content like this, you'll be the first to get notified. If you have been following me for a while, you will know that this particular channel you are watching me from, I monetize it almost 3 years after uploading my first video was when I got monetized. 3 years is a lot when people are monetizing within 1 month, 2 months. So a journey of 1 month now took me 3 years, which is something that I am not proud of, and I want to share every details, everything I have learned on this YouTube with you. So in May 2024, I decided to open a new channel. Why? Because this particular channel, you know, when you are venturing into something and you do not have knowledge of it, you tend to make mistakes, which is why I am here, so that you don't make the same mistakes. I did a lot of things wrong on this channel, and just like the Bible says that if the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do, right? So the foundation of this channel was quite wrong. So this channel was giving me little challenges here and there, and you know guys, there is life after monetization. I got monetized. Actually, I got monetized at the beginning of this year 2024. I got monetized, but life after monetization is another thing most of you do not know. That is when the real work started, and you will be like, everything you have been building, you know, you are now expecting to, you know, to see good results, but sometimes the results might shock you. Probably in another video I will share details on that. So May 2024, I decided to, you know, open another channel, and I decided to venture into a faceless channel this time around. Okay, it's a faceless channel, right? Let's take that out of the way. So I decided to open a faceless channel, and I opened the channel, and guys, within 2 months I got monetized. And I was seeing results for my efforts. So in this video, I'm going to share with you every strategy, what I did differently on that particular channel that helped me, and the channel is doing very well even up to this moment. Currently, I'm over 30k plus subscribers, which is a good one for a channel I started in May. You know, almost 7 months now, and the channel is doing so well compared to this one I started 3 years, almost 4 years, or more than 4 years, I think 4 years ago, and it is still where it is right now. So in this video, I want to share all the strategies, everything you need to know, and I promise you, if you make use of these strategies, your channel is going to monetize, and you are going to grow your channel organically. So number one thing I want to talk about is, if you are going to listen to me, do not do sub for sub. This one, I know as a small YouTuber, your body is doing you like, oh, I want to get monetized quick. You are looking for the fastest route to, you know, getting monetized on YouTube, which is okay to want to get monetized fast. I mean, this is why we are talking here. But most of you are actually doing it the wrong way. When I mean the wrong way, one of it is, do not do sub for sub. it's going to affect your channel at the long run. Most of you do not know this, but this is the reality. For those who do not understand the meaning of sub for sub, it simply means when I subscribe to your channel, I expect you to subscribe back, and like that we are going to grow our subscribers count. It's actually okay if people are doing it the right way, but most people are doing it the wrong way. So when you go to somebody's channel and you solicit for subscribers, please come and subscribe to my channel and I'll subscribe to yours, and the person, and you do it that way, most times those people do not come back to watch your content. It's the reality. If you are watching this and you know it is true, drop it in the comment section. It is the reality. Most of them will not come back to watch your content. And when you have a lot of subscribers with no views, what is the point? So it is better you build your subscribers organically. Let people who are truly interested in your type of content come and subscribe to your channel, and that is the best of the best thing you can do to yourself. Sub for sub. Stop doing sub for sub. The second thing I'm going to share with you is stop sharing your video links to family and friends. Most of these people, they just come to your channel and just watch for like 30 seconds and click out. What you are doing to your channel is that you are giving the algorithm wrong signal. Like, people are not interested in that particular content. So when they come, they watch 30 seconds and click out. You are doing your video and you are doing your channel more harm than good. So, and you know this saying that a prophet is not honored in his own house. Yes, your family and friends, they will just come, probably watch a little while, then go away. They are not going to watch the video because they are not interested. They just come, watch a little, then click out. It's going to do your channel harm. But if you let people who are truly interested come and watch your video, then that is the right thing. They love your content, they click on the subscribe button, they will definitely come back to watch that type of content again. So you want to stop sharing your links to your family and friends. The third one I'm going to talk about is learn the art of storytelling. This one is very, very, very important that people do not really talk about it. Learn the art of storytelling. See, as a YouTuber, you do not have to be a storyteller, I mean a fictional storyteller, to learn storytelling. You do not have to be a story writer to learn storytelling. As a YouTuber, as a content creator, you have to learn the art of storytelling. Storytelling is what will hook your subscribers to watch your video. Storytelling is what is going to, help your audience to remain glued to your screen and watch your video to the end. So you need to learn the art of storytelling, how to captivate audience, how to tell a story in an interesting way that will make people to stay and watch your video to the end. This is one of the important skills you must have as a YouTuber or as a content creator. You have to learn the art of storytelling. I mean, it's very, very, very important. Very important. Let me emphasize that again. It is very, very important. This is what will eventually make people to subscribe to your channel, come back to watch more video because they love the way you talk. Sometimes you watch some videos and you be like, what is this one saying self? But you will find yourself watching that video to the end because of the storytelling skill of that person. You are going to watch it to the end. So every YouTuber needs to learn storytelling. If you know you are not a good storyteller, you need to start learning. There are lots of videos on YouTube where you can learn storytelling, and there is one other person on YouTube that I usually do watch a video, which is Neze. Neze is a good storyteller, and I think there was a time she did a course on storytelling. If you can enroll for that course, learn the art of storytelling. It is another thing you should know, you should start doing, is to work on your thumbnail and your title. Guys, a lot of good videos has gone down into the bin because of the titling and the thumbnail. Sometimes you have good things to say, you have valuable content, but your thumbnail and your titling is just poor. So if that is you need to start working on your title, how to title your videos and your thumbnail as well. If you don't know anything about graphic design, go on Canva, play around Canva. You are going to learn. Go on YouTube, make research, learn how to do little design that will make your thumbnail very attractive. Then your title, learn to title your video. There are lots of platforms that can help you with that. You can use AI to title your videos, and you can also do it yourself without the help of AI. Just look for a catchy title, and please don't do clickbait. Clickbait is going to affect your channel. When people click on it because of your titling and your thumbnail, and when it gets to watch the video, it is something else, they are going to click out. And make sure your thumbnail is attractive. When people see it, they want to click on it and say, oh, what is this person talking about, and they are going to click it to watch. Another thing is, if you want to monetize fast, make sure you upload longer videos. This is going to help you. Imagine when I started the new YouTube channel I talked about earlier, I was posting videos of 8 minutes and lesser minutes, you get. So the videos were doing well actually, but with that type of minutes, it's going to take me a longer while to get to 4,000 watch hours. You need 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. With shorter length of videos, it's going to take you longer to get monetized. So I started uploading videos like 30 minutes longer. Please make sure it is valuable content. If you are just blabbing, and you post 30 minutes content, people are not going to watch. They will just click in, watch it for like 30 seconds and click out. So make sure it is valuable content, so when people click it, they want to watch to the end. So I was uploading like 30-minute video, and when God would help me, YouTube pick one of those 30 minutes plus video, and the video went viral, and I got my 4,000 watch hours. If I was uploading 8-minute videos, it was going to affect my channel. So maybe I was going to take a longer time to get monetized on YouTube. So you need to start uploading longer content, valuable content. Emphasis on valuable. Yes, you have to give people value for their time. Another thing I will talk about is your channel setting. As a new YouTuber, you have to optimize your channel. How do you optimize your channel? You go to your YouTube studio, go to the general setting, and there are a lot of things you will do there. I'm going to do it in another video because I don't want this video to be too long. In that video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your channel, the channel setting, everything you need to do that will make your videos get more views, that will make YouTube put your channel out there. I'm going to show you that in another video. So you need to do your channel setting, and you need to learn how to upload your videos correctly as well, which I'm going to share with you in another video because it's a lengthy talk. So I'm going to do that one after the other. Another thing is, you should always add relatable tags when you are uploading your video. You see, so many people, they are uploading different things, but when you get to their YouTube description, you will see tags that are not even relating to their type of content, which is very, very bad. It's going to do your channel harm than good. So stop doing that. Add relatable tags only. Tags that relate to what you are talking about in that particular video. That is how you should, upload your video, which is going to help you to get more views, and at the end of the day, help you to monetize fast. So the last but not the least is, make sure you share your YouTube link on other social platforms. If you're on YouTube, open a TikTok account, an Instagram account. From there, you can also drive audience from those social platforms to your YouTube channel. And like that, if YouTube see that people are coming from other platforms to watch your video, YouTube is going to push that video and it's going to go more viral. So it is important you open other social platforms, if not for anything, to bring audience from there to your YouTube channel. And the last but not the least I want to talk about, though it is not relating, but to me it is relating to our topic. In everything, you need to pray. Pray for your channel. Pray about your channel. Pray on it. Pray on your channel. When you are uploading a video, pray that, God, please help me, let this video go viral. Let this video give me good results for my efforts. Pray on your channel. I know this is not relating to what we are talking about, but it is also relating to it because we can pray about everything. Put your channel in prayers. It is also very important. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if this video is very helpful to you, please comment in the comment section. I want to meet you guys. I want to relate with you guys in the comment section. Ask me questions. Like, we are one big family. Let's relate together. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye for now.